Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add 200 EMA in MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the MT4 mobile app, then click on chart. Make sure you are in chart. Then go and click on the F icon, this one. Then after that, click on F plus. Now go to moving average. And here on the period, type 200. And here on method, choose this one, exponential. And choose the color you want. So let's say for this example, so let's choose this one. And here you can change the width of the line if you want. So as you can see, let's choose 4 pixels, for example, and click on done. Now let's go back. And as you can see here, this is our 200 MA, this one, as you can see here. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.